Welcome, in front of me is DELL Latitude 3520, and in this video I will show you how to change the name of this laptop. Open the Start menu, then go to Settings, then select System and go to About section. Then select Rename this PC option right here and enter the new name for your device without using any space bars. And to confirm, click Next. Then you'll have to restart your PC by clicking Restart Now. And once your device is restarted, your device name will be changed. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below. And I'll see you in the next one.